riding along in the 1961 Buick Electra. Man, this car rides and drives so good. We've done everything I can think to do to it other than fix the air conditioner in it, which I'm not going to do. As far as running and driving, she's absolutely perfect. The AM radio works. Cruising down the road. Running about 65 right now. These cars have that real cool dash. That's an actual mirror that you're looking at right there. The gauges lay flat up there, and you can angle that mirror how you want it. It's got a speed alarm over there in the corner, that little left knob right there. You can set that. I got it set on 80. It'll give you a little chirping when you get up to whatever the speed you have it set at. But I'm gonna tell you, this is a Blacktop cruiser, my friends. I wouldn't hesitate to go across the country in this car today. If you want to read my description down below, you can see everything that we've done to the car to get it roadworthy. This is a one family owned car till I got it. And the miles are original. So it's got the original paint. The interior is original, other than the carpet. Did replace the carpet. That's the original old floor mat down there in it. Horn blows, lights work, turn signal works. You can see it right there blinking in the dash. She's blinking outside too. Make the turn here. It's got power steering. Man, it shifts great. It's got that turbine transmission that was unique. I think only a couple years these cars had them. Man, it's a beautiful day. Beautiful day to be riding around in this old Buick Electra. If you want a cruiser and if you want a real good one, don't miss out on this car. It's got the Buick Wildcat 445 big block motor in it. Its numbers matching under the hood. It's got the original paint. I'll add to this video when I get stopped, pop the hood, show it to you running. Runs cool as a cucumber. We put a new radiator in it, a new water pump. A nurse over in Augusta, Georgia, bought this car brand new. And she bought it new in '61, traded in a '54 Buick. When she passed away, her niece got it in the will. Her niece lived up in Anderson, South Carolina, and she actually had the car for a long time, and then it just stayed in their family, and it finally let it loose. The family finally let the old car loose, and the car's never been hit. It's always been a car. It's always been a cranking, running, driving car. Just a real good one. it takes just a minute to warm up. It'll come on. Might not pick up many stations out here at the lake at my house, but
Thursday will keep it dry with a high also a little warmer than average at around 84. For News Talk WGA.
that is the original Wildcat 445 breather from Buick in 1961. Looks like a third grader painted it on there, maybe a fifth grader. But that is the factory breather. That is the original motor in this car. I won't be able to show you, but the VIN number is stamped right there on the block, as well as the suffix code. All the numbers been matched up to the car. It's got the original transmission as well. The air conditioning is not sorted out. The air conditioning is not working, and I'm not going to get it working. Some people never even seen the Buick Wildcat 445 motor. This Buick's big block motor from back then. Runs great. And there you have it, a 1961 Buick Electra. Factory paint, original miles. One family owned it for most of the time, until a couple years back. Right here in Augusta, Georgia. And then up in Anderson, South Carolina, which is only a couple hours away from here. She had family up there. Yeah, what a great car. Somebody's going to be real happy with this.